This is me when I'm working, y'all. I'm working. I'm looking crazy, okay? But I still look good, okay? I still got this, y'all. Okay? So listen. I'm up and I have an exam to take, okay? And I literally had to, this is how much I work. Listen, y'all, I literally had to make myself take a week vacation just to focus on this exam, because I'll be trying to take an exam and be trying to work and do other stuff and take care of kids and do this and do that. I got so many responsibilities right now. It ain't even funny. Okay. I already had a lot of responsibilities, but then now God want me to pick up more responsibilities. I'm like, okay, God, what we doing here? What are we doing? What we got going on? So he like, yeah, I want you to do this. And I want you to execute that. And I want you to go here. And I want you to go. Okay. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff on my calendar right now. I'm busy. I'm booked. I'm busy. And I need, listen, so one of the things that I love to do is sleep. Because when I sleep, I have dreams. So God be speaking to me through dreams. And my dreams are like really vivid right now. And I also keep seeing rabbits. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. Let me see something here. I got so much content to put out, y'all. It's not even funny. It's not even funny. So, let me tell y'all. Love, fertility, rebirth is the spiritual meaning, y'all, of a rabbit. I keep seeing rabbits. They are messengers of affection, y'all. What? Wow. Y'all need to look this up. Y'all need to look up the spiritual meaning behind rabbits. So when I was in Mexico and I was going through like a spiritual awakening, well, actually, even, listen, birds always fly in my house. And then one time we went walking, a dog literally was trying to come home with us. Thought that was weird. But maybe it's because I want a dog right now, but not the type of dog that was trying to come home with us, though. Another thing is, listen, 5 deep spiritual meanings of the rabbit. I don't know. God be dealing with me through animals, though. Fresh start. Inner peace. It was just what? What is on March the 17th? Oh, St. Patrick's Day. Rabbits mean luck, plenty, growth, major opportunities ahead, insight, sensitivity. Your instincts are heightened at this moment. And maybe you could be sensing that. I don't know. I'm just here to tell you. It's a guide to change, but also facing new challenges. Because with challenges come change. Bold leaps, too. Mystical and spiritual connections. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Y'all know I'm big on, like, mysteries. evolve, adapt, and blossom in your unique way. This is deep, y'all. But the rabbit is also can be seen as a protector. You got a spiritual bodyguard. But I am like pretty cloaked. I can't lie. I cannot lie. I got high spiritual protection. And I always talk about spiritual protection, protecting yourself and stuff like that. I'm big on that. I'm a protector, okay? I protect what I love, okay? Until you cross me. This is so, oh, I'm just getting all of these. This is like, listen, y'all. Listen. This is really deep. This is deep. This is deep, y'all. Mindfulness, meditation, sitting quietly, soft energy, graceful nature, serene, peace, present, aware, relaxed. Even when life get busy, you have to learn how to cultivate these types of qualities, I would say, into your life, okay? So listen. This is deep. This is deep. This is real deep, y'all. Y'all need to go do y'all due diligence and look this up. I'm just here. I've been seeing rabbits and I wanted to come on here and talk about it. I'm up late right now because I'm studying. I have an exam. And I just wanted to drop y'all some gems on the spiritual meaning of the rabbit. So, this is me up at 12 to 2. 1, 2, 2, 2 on the clock. My angels don't lie. I ain't lying. I'm not lying. I'm up late. I'm always up at midnight. Last night I could not sleep. I've been up. So if God start waking y'all up at midnight, 3 a.m., 4, 5, 6, get up. Get up. God always, my day starts like literally like right now. I be up. I'm up. That's why I can teach y'all spiritual warfare, because I be up. I be on my watch. I don't play. I be up while these little heathens be roaming around, these demonic entities. I be up right with them. Right with them. They be thinking they gonna be doing stuff in the midnight hour. Not over here, you know. And not to nobody that's attached to me. Okay? I got y'all back. For real. In the spiritual realm, I got your back. I had your back too in the earthly realm. But tell me y'all, don't cross me. Once you cross me, listen, I love you, but I love you from a distance. I will not let you play in my face. All right, y'all. So there goes some gentle messages for y'all. I'm getting off here. I'm going to be back. I got another message. I got a ton of messages to give to y'all, actually. So I love y'all. Y'all have a good night.